The HMD115 is a lightweight, ultra-low profile portable magnetic drill. Measuring only 6 11/16 inches high, it was originally designed to drill behind the wheels on a truck frame. But it is widely used in maintenance and general fabrication. With plenty of power, the HMD115 has a cutter capacity for holes up to 1 1/16 in diameter and 3/4 of an inch deep. The patented quill feed arbor and positive slug ejection makes for smooth cuts into and throughout the hole. The feed handles can also be removed for using a 5/8 inch ratchet or wrench in tight areas. The HMD115 uses Rotaloc cutters, which have a unique toolless design for inserting and removing the cutters. Rotaloc cutters feature a special end tooth geometry called stat cut. This allows for drilling through 2 or more plates at one time. To use the HMD115, insert the cutter and pilot into the arbor. Apply Hougen Slick Stick lubricant to the end and inside of the cutter. Line up your pilot. Turn on the magnet. Press and hold the motor on button. The motor on button is set up as a momentary switch for safety reasons. If the magnet breaks free, release the switch and the motor stops. Slowly start into your material. Once a cutting groove is established, increase feed pressure. Be sure to use good solid feed pressure and lubricant to optimize cutter tool life. Once the hole is complete, clear away any chips and continue on to your next hole.